Now I'm speaking like a bit of an Indian today. Let's get started. I think it's time for some garden therapy, anyone? Follow me. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. Like actually beautiful. Hello, I am a sun angel. Oh, I'm just in a little jumper today. I've got my like 60s style skirt on, jumper, Bordeaux jumper, and you know, crazy Cher curls going on, you know. So I've got my avocado plants that I've kept inside during, whoa, sun, that I've kept inside like during winter, and what I want to do today is just replot them. Replot? No, repotting. Repot them into bigger pots. Do you know how many? I think I've got like 5, that's a lot. But they just grow so easily from seed, and you know me, I just get attached to my little planties. So this one doesn't look so good, but trust me, it will be fine. Like once I had to cut the leaf off, hold on, I'll show you. Okay, so here is 1 avocado, 2 avocado, 3 avocado, 4 avocado, 5 and 6. Here we are. Was there any more? Probably is another one. Okay, 7, but this is one of the bigger ones. Oh my god. You do not look good. What is going on? I think maybe you have too much water. I think I just overwatered it a little bit. Anyway, the deal is I'm gonna plant these avocado, ignore that tissue, these avocado into the bigger pots, and during summer they're going to go outside, enjoy the sun, and we'll see how they go. So you're probably wondering how many avocados we actually eat per week. I would say we went through a phase where we were eating about 7 a week, but now it's much less, darling. I think I'm eating like about, I don't know, about 3 a month probably, something like that. But, you know, avocado. Where do avocados originate from? Because they grow in Italy, in Sicily, in Reggio Calabria, I think, and then where do they originate from? Tell me! Where do they originate from? I actually have no idea. But all I know is I love them. I love the texture. I love putting them into my salads, into my sushi, into my whatever I eat, spreading it on stuff, eating it as an actual fruit. It's delicious. Now I need to find some pots. I have loads of pots, okay. The good thing about like avocado plants is they're not that, you know, they don't require much maintenance. It's pretty easy to keep them alive. Pretty easy. Unless you don't water them at all, or unless you overwater them. So just basic things, you know, watering. They need some sunlight. They don't like cold. They don't like the ice. You're gonna kill them if you leave them outside in winter. And just make sure that you like change the pot, you know, as the plant gets bigger, change the pot. And if you're having like a bad time, like the plant has, I don't know, like almost died or something, just cut off all the leaves. Like you can cut off half the stem, and then if you're lucky, it will grow back, because it seems, honestly, it's one of those plants that seems really resilient to a lot of things. And that is why I love it so much. That is why I eat it. That is why I grow it, you know? No, I'm speaking like a bit of an Indian today. Let's get started. You know what? I've decided to try something else. So I had seen this done before, but I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I'm going to show you. So I have 3 avocado plants here, actually, you can probably see. And what I decided to do was intertwine them. Like I did a sort of French plate, and I've done 1, 2, 3, and I've just kind of like woven them. You can see that like all the way up, and just tied it with a bit of willow, so like nothing, no plastic, no wire. We've got some leaves there, and I don't know what's gonna happen, but I think like maybe, you know, and logically this should grow and maintain this shape, hopefully. And I don't know, I just wanted to try that. I think I'd seen it done somewhere with other plants, but I'm not sure they used avocado. But if you've tried something similar, maybe let me know in the comments. I don't know if this will work. But I like the idea of it. I like the idea of like, I love bonsais and all these plants that are like intertwined and stuff and plated. So if this works, let's see. But I bloody hope so, otherwise I'm just wasting my time and I'm wasting my avocado plants, you know. I don't know why I always end the videos in this kind of Manchester voice. I mean, I've not even been there, only on a flight, that's all, love. But, you know, if you like this video and you like avocados, do you want to leave us a comment or something? Thanks, love. See you in the next video. Bye.